So, hello students, welcome to M Square Maths Mantra One Shot 1 PIQ series day 29. So, in this GATE 2006 question, it is given that the radius of convergence of this power series is okay. So, basically, what we want to find, the radius of convergence. So, firstly, we will see what is our an here. So, this is the coefficient an. Now, what is the formula for the radius of convergence? It is 1 divided by limit n tends to infinity, the supremum value of an power 1 by n is the radius of convergence. So what will be the formula here? Let's see. अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखूं तो an की वैल्यू रखने पर मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा? This becomes limit n tends to infinity, the supremum, this value becomes 1 plus 1 by n whole power n square divided by n cube divided by n. So n will be cancelled out here. So what we will get, अगर मैं यहाँ पर n cancel out कर देता हूँ तो मुझे यहाँ पर क्या मिल जाएगा? Let's see, this becomes 1 upon limit n tends to infinity, it is the supreme value, and this is 1 plus 1 by n whole power n divided by n power 3 by n. Now what we know that अगर कभी भी n की power 1 by n आती है हमारे पास and where n tends to infinity, then this limit will be equals to 1 always. तो यहाँ पर मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? यहाँ पर मुझे मिल रहा है n की पावर 1 by n टाइप का फॉर्म मिल रहा है. So this value goes to 1, it becomes 1 का cube. So 1 cube is also becomes 1. So this denominator part goes to 1 here. So if I solve this, then what we will get? Let's see. Then we get 1 over limit n tends to infinity, the supremum value. This is 1 plus 1 by n whole power n divided by 1. And now what is this value? Basically this is the limit of e. जब कभी भी हमारे पास 1 plus 1 by n की whole power n होती है तो ये हमारे पास कहाँ कन्वर्ट करता है? This is e. So this limit value will be 1 over e. So this is the radius of convergence of this power series. So the B is the correct option in this question. Thank you.